Welcome to Bite Bite Time.
Two baby elephants walking, walking, mama elephant walking too. Two baby elephants see the cake shop, tasty faces, yum, woohoo! Let's make cake, mix and stir, don't make a mistake. Yay, hooray, a cake will bake, take a bowl, crack the eggs. Crack, 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 in it goes, eggs make the cake, everyone knows. Add some flour, soft and white, flour makes the cake so light. Flour helps the cake bake just right. Add some sweet and fine, add some sugars, cake taste shine. Sugar makes it yummy every time. Add the butter, smooth and smoother, makes the cake a treat. Butter makes it soft and neat. Mix, mix, round, round, stirring makes a funny sound. Whisk it up, beat it fast, cake batter ready at last. Into the oven nice and slow, wait a while and watch it grow. Ding, 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 the pass saw, cake is done. Baking cakes is so much fun. Lift the icing, rainbow cream, squeeze it gently, what a dream. Red, yellow, green and blue, rainbow cake is coming. Add some sprinkles, chocolate chips, happy smiles and little flips. Making cake is so much fun for everyone, not just one. Slice, slice, scoop you as a saw. Wanting cake but not sour, all to rainy goal. Tasty, soulful and sweet. Chomp, chomp, bite, bite, cake is yummy, what a sight. Mama elephant joins the fun, eating cake for everyone. Walk to the room, turn around, trunks up high, bye-bye sound. Happy about so the elephant's day is done. See you next time, fun, fun, fun.